Namaste. I will show you some simple, quick asanas to release your legs after a good hike. So something you use when you hike is your glutes, and they need to be released after hiking to avoid the soreness the next day. So one thing is you can go on your knees, and you broaden the knees. Actually broaden it more than your hips. Place the hands a little bit to the front. Exhaling, move the body to the right gently. Pull to the right. Inhale, come back to the left. And this way. And to do this a couple of times. This also releases any shoulder strain. Make sure your neck is in line with the thoracic spine. And as you do that, really feel the extension of this area. So this entire area stretches as you move from left to right, inhaling, center, exhaling to the sides. And stop, then come back together. Sit on this. The best is you just cross your legs, if that is possible for you. And that already will work on your gluteal muscles, especially if they're a little tight. Keep lifting from here up, dropping the shoulder blades. And then do a very gentle rotation to the right. Take some good inhalations, exhalations. Inhale, come back. Change to the left. Inhaling forward. And now keep the left leg in this position. So take the left heel close to the right buttock. And then place the right leg on top of this. If there is any knee injury, please avoid this position. And see how far you can go. Now you feel even a deeper release in this area. So root the sitting bone, lift the body up. Take the arms over the head. Exhaling, turn to the right. And feel that right buttock area releasing the tension. And with your next inhalation, come back. Switch the legs. And straighten your arms again. Root the sitting bones. They both have to be equally pressing into the floor or the ground. Otherwise, you may have to find a towel or your backpack to sit on it. And now rotate over the left. Inhale and release. To further deepen these stretches, what you can do, I didn't do that on the other side, but you can add that. You can lean slightly forward. That will give you a deeper stretch on the glutes. Another one. That one you're going to lie on the back. Place your feet hip distance. Place the right foot on top of the left leg. Pull the left leg back and stay. Take some good inhalations, exhalations, and feel, especially now the right buttock area, releasing. And then switch again. and release. Now as we're already lying down, let's do something for the hamstring. So you just straighten the right leg up towards the ceiling and see how much you can stretch. It doesn't matter. What you want to feel is a stretch here in that area. Shoulder blades on the floor. And take some good inhalations, good exhalations. And switch. And release. And that's it. How to release your glutes after some hiking. Of course, this works also if you generally have a little tight glutes. So if you're a runner or a cyclist, or even if you sit a lot. There's another session coming soon, explaining you how to release this area after hiking or doing any form of other sports. Namaste.